Chidinma admitted that she's not the one in the picture, so this video will tell you all that you need to know about this case. Watch and share and let me know what you think in the comment section.
I'm 21 years old. Mass communication, Unilab. I sometimes do ushering as part-time job. My childhood ambition was to be actress and music. Separated when I was little. I was living with my uncle, Mr. Chidinma.
Okay, so you don't know what led to them separating?
No.
How old were you then?
I was 2 or 1, 2. Okay. Growing up, I stayed with my uncle.
Where is that?
At Moshe.
Moshe?
Yes. Smoking, that's me. But the picture, that's not me. Smoking started just few years ago.
Who introduced you to it?
Friends, old-time friends. We don't talk anymore.
When did you begin smoking, and was it before Unilab or after you got into Unilab?
To be after I got into Unilab.
All this issue of you, the ones girls doing things.
I started after Unilab.
The deceased person.
We were just friends.
Okay, some people say they have evidence of you probably flying out with the deceased to celebrate your birthday or with other people, outside of the country. How true is this? Have you been going out before for birthday parties or for events?
No, I haven't. I've met with him like 4 or 5 times.
And also there is another statement that the deceased does not take hard drugs and that he is a very strong man. How could you have overpowered him?
He takes drugs, he takes it, he takes smoke, he drinks. So it's not that I'm trying to put anything on anybody. I left in the daytime, wasn't at midnight. And when the incident happened, he couldn't speak. So I didn't take his clothes. I only took mine. I just took it and I took my dresses out.
People, after seeing the video of you narrating the incident, they said it is possible that you have killed before.
No, I haven't killed before. Well, I don't know the wife. I don't know the wife. Neither have I spoken to her before or anything.
Okay.
And for uncle, I don't know. No one threatened me not to pay school fees or do what I did. But my dad paid my school fees. The reason why I was absent in school was finance, and secondly, I was just feeling reluctant to go back to school. I wanted to do online schooling so that I can join in with my business when I start up my business. There are a lot of times that the school fees is not there. It has to be struggle to complete. After the incident happened, that I withdrew the money. The purpose was to use it for my fees and start up a business for myself.
Can you describe your dad's reaction when the police came?
My dad was very heartbroken, bitter and disappointed.
Was he resisting police arrest when they wanted to arrest you?
No, he wasn't resisting. He was trying to be sure that it's actually police people.
There's a particular information that after the incident happened, that immediately what you did was to call your uncle and that he now organized people to come and clear the scene, because we are speaking from reliable information we gathered from a series of interviews and the likes.
No, I did not call any uncle to come clear anything. I left the place.
But is it true that you have told the owners of the building, the people who supply the place, that if anything happened, they should reach out to certain individuals, including your uncle?
No, I didn't say they should reach out to anybody or anything like that. No, I didn't plan on killing anybody or kill him. I didn't plan. I want to say that I'm sorry, Dad. I know everyone is disappointed at me. I don't know what came over me that I did what I did. But I hope God forgives me and everyone forgives me. Mr. Atanga family, I am deeply sorry for what I did. If I had my life back, I wouldn't do anything of such. I am deeply sorry. Please, I hope you forgive me. I don't want to die.